Okay, I'm doing something. Yeah. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my long overdue autumn fall look for you guys. I know I was supposed to upload this a long time ago, but it's finally here. I used all of the beautiful colors of fall for this look, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. Let's just skip the chit chat and get right into it. Oh, and also I know I have Laura Mercier powder on my fingers. That is not ash. So first I just went ahead and did my brows off camera, and I primed my eyes with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color white, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this chocolate brown color to my base first. And my monthly subscription to Mother Nature decided to go ahead and give me a free gift with my monthly package, so you guys can go ahead and say hi to my free gift on my chin. And I just went ahead with another eyeshadow brush, and I took this bronzy kind of orangey color and I blended it over the top of that chocolatey brown just to bring that out a bit up into my brows. And that chocolate brown color that I first applied wasn't really giving me the look that I was going for, so I just went ahead with a very deep brown and I blended that into my crease. Now I'm going to take this matte red from my new favorite Morphe palette from their holiday collection. I love it so much. Look how bright and vibrant it is. And I'm just going to take that and apply that all over the lid. Then I went ahead and took this angle brush and I took this bright yellow color from the Take Me to Brazil palette and I just went ahead and applied that in the corner of my eyes. It didn't really apply the way that I wanted it to, so I just went in with this forest green liquid shimmer eyeshadow from Wet n Wild and applied that over the yellow. Then I took this bright orange color from the Take Me to Brazil palette and I put that all around the rim of the eyeshadow. I'm just going ahead and doing my usual wing liner that I am just oh so faithful to. I'm all done with the top of the eye, it's time to move on to the face. So I'm going to take some yellow color corrector and I'm going to put that right underneath the eye, and I'm going to blend that out with a blending sponge. Take my Instapot face brush, my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and the LA Girl Pro color mixes in the color yellow, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. And no, my brush was not dirty. I had tested out a foundation before I applied it to my face. Now I'm going to take my Kat Von D concealer and apply that to all of the high points of my face. So the reason why you guys see me twisting and twirling around like that is because this thing is empty and I'm all out and I have to go get another one. Now I'm taking this trio powder from Positions Formula, and I'm just going to go in with that yellow banana colored one. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just applying that under the eye for a brighter highlight. I'm taking this little contour stick from Black Radiance, and I'm just using that to contour my nose. Now I'm taking an even bigger contour stick from Black Radiance and using that to contour the rest of my face. I'm just taking some loose powder from Ben Nye in the color Camel to go ahead and sharpen up my face. I'm just using my favorite Urban Decay setting spray, followed by my favorite L'Oreal highlighter. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to go ahead and take this dark brown lip liner and just outline my lips with that. Now I'm taking this NYX liquid lipstick and I'm going to apply that to the lips. I don't know what happened to mine, guys. It is broken and it's messy, so I'm just going to be careful when applying this. And I just went ahead and topped that off with some Rimmel London lip gloss. Now I'm just taking this little glitter palette, my green loose glitter and my NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to start applying that on the bottom lash line. The orange glitter from this palette was kind of hard to pick up, but I made it work. Now I'm just taking this bronzy orange liquid liner and I'm applying that directly in the crease. And then your eyes are all done. Excuse my fingers with the powder on it. They look so ashy, but it's not ash. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my favorite lashes. And then after that, you are all done. You can go ahead and follow this step by step, or you can change it up any way that you want to, that makes you comfortable. It does not matter. Really hope that you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I noticed that y'all are watching my videos but y'all not subscribing. And hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time that I upload. Okay, bye.